What's the meaning of beer tent? Beer tent. Beer tent.
Beer tent. Beer tent. A beer tent is a large temporary structure, typically set up outdoors, designed to serve beer and other alcoholic beverages at events such as festivals, fairs, and carnivals. These tents are often a central gathering point for attendees to socialize, enjoy live music, and sample a variety of craft beers and local brews. The atmosphere in a beer tent is usually lively and festive, with a mix of locals and tourists mingling together and creating a sense of community. In some cultures, beer tents are an important part of traditional celebrations and can be found at events ranging from Oktoberfest in Germany to St. Patrick's Day in Ireland.